Huh?
What in the hell is this weird sound? Why is the moon running away? Dude, our solar system is going crazy.
Don't you worry, Earth. Just like life, even our solar system has its ups and downs.
Mars, English, please. Anyways, Earth, all he is saying is that you just need to chill a bit. Oh my.
What the moon? How in the hell were you not able to spot this monster?
Guys, pack your bags. That weird sound is coming from our sun. He is about to explode.
Oh my!
Oh my.
Hey guys, are you all going on a trip? Don't worry, our son is just having digestion issues. Let me first give this medicine to him. I will join you guys later.